maliklik at ano, Paulo.
Alright, thank you very much. Avery, Burns, Ferdy, with Pastor. Let's go, sir. Alright. And then, let's do dance up. Tingin sa camera, kuya. Okay, let's go, sir. Alright, thank you very much, Miss Gabriel.
Yay! Ate, oh. Yay, yay.
Clap ka.
Clap kayo daw. Clap daw kayo.
Alright. Okay.
Paglokwan din natin. Luka rin yung jeep mo.
Market mo. Lanagan.
Alright, thank you very much. Please, thank you, kuya. Sir. Wala pa kayong mga kamay. Palakpakan naman po namin our present by our special one. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, Danny. And now, our isa. Our si Kuya. Okay. Ano ba nung kinagamit ng push-up tayo, smile, and then walk to you. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, smile.
Matrastok ka na.
Sana, maging babi ko ka pa na bata. Ayun.
Okay, let's go, ma'am. Ipablow po na natin. Ay, baka mapasok po sila. Okay. Sige, blow na ito. Pablow na natin. Alright. Okay, ma'am. Doon lang po tayo sa side. Ayan.
Hello, Ella. Happy birthday kay ako. And I pray na dagol kang mas mabait ka, karimangya po ang daddy. And I pray maging mas matalino ka para i-achieve mo lang yung dreams mo, yung pangarap mo. And I pray dito hanggang dreams mo, i-grant na lang Lord kay according to His time and perfect will na. So ito, I pray na maging mas malusog ka and you live a long and satisfied life. Happy birthday ulit. Ayos ka mo po.
Ay, that's the ma'am. Ma'am, picture mo na po. Kaya, bago yung blow. Ready, 1, 2, smile. Okay. Palakpakan naman po natin. Palakpakan niyo po yung sarili niya.
Good afternoon, Sharongan po. Hi, Ella. Like most of us, wishes for you. Sana dagol kang mabait, ang pong mag-aral. Sanasan mo palali pa mag-aral mo, Ella. Nen, happy birthday!
Take a picture, ready? Hello, Dan.
Everyone mayayari yan, medyo
Sana lumaki ka. Ang takot sa Diyos at mabait na bata. At mag-aral ka mabuti. Yan po ko.
Lisa po.
Lagi mo okay yung kalusugan mo. At lagi mo yung mami mo at dati mo, gano'n yung mga kapatid mo rin. Love you yan ha.
Ito
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.
Gusto ni Mami at ni Daddy. Galingan mo pa sa pag-aaral. So, yun lang. Happy birthday, ate. Sana happy ka.
Sana.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Alright, everybody, palakpakan naman natin ang ating producer band and baby. Pauline, blow the candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow. Okay, buhatin mo natin, Daddy.
Big mukbang ni.
1, 2, 3, blow. Yay! Kita na lang. Happy birthday, Pauline! Isa ba, mas malakas pa. Ready? 1, 2, 3, hey!
Happy birthday!
Alright, ano naman palakpakan naman natin our birthday celebration. Okay, thank you very much sa party. Happy birthday din ako.